Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, November 28. The time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the Russell. This is a 45 minutes chart here. So as we can see, we got an impulsive rally from 1579.28, and in the shorter cycle we are looking for the continuation higher within a wave 5 in the black here. Okay, so what that means is that we are now in the last stage in the wave 5, okay, to finish the wave 5, and I will let you know sort of the alternate view in a couple of different ways, but still it is not, I mean, you can see the right side remains bullish for now. In validation level, everything is green, so we don't really like selling any the indices at this point. And as far as the near-term pullback stays above 1579, we can continue to see more upside. Now, having said that, keep in mind that we are in the last move here within the wave 5, right? So it is the last sort of wave, so to speak. So it's getting a little bit risky in that sense to keep chasing it on the upside. Now, if we take a look at the larger degree here, this is a 4-hour chart. So you can see this is our wave 4 here, which is the same as the 45 minutes right here. So you can see from October 2019, right? This is the October 2019 low. We can clearly already see what looks like a 5 ways up from here, and we are at the last stage within the wave 5. So what that means then is that back to the 1-hour chart, we are calling this wave 1 of 5, wave 2 of 5, which is the subdivision of the wave 5 in black, right? Something like this. But as an alternate, right, so we are extending only within the wave 5, and this is the internal of the wave 5, which is the 5 waves. Now the alternate suggests that instead of ending with 1 of 5, now this entire thing can be the wave 5 itself, right? Now if this is already ending the wave 5 instead of wave 1 of 5, that means we will end this entire 5 ways up from October 2019, and we're gonna get a bigger pullback like this at least, right? After 5 ways up, you got the risk down. So alternate is ending this entire move, and then we can see a bigger risk pullback before perhaps going higher again if the indices are still bullish. Okay, so just keep in mind about that alternate over there, that instead of ending with 1 of 5, we could have ended the entire wave 5 itself. All right, now secondly, the question is whether we still have like, we got a lot of comments asking, is there any bearish view, or because many people continue to basically subscribe to the idea there is a the GDP, the stock market is over 150% of GDP, or some other thesis that people have been talking about for almost like every day from the past few years. But in reality, technically, the market just continues to see more upside, new all-time high, and we just trade based on the technicals. We follow the sequence, right? And therefore, we're gonna take a look and see if we indeed still have more upside left, or whether this is done. Of course, it's never a good idea to pick the top, right? It's never a good idea picking, and people always lose when picking. Almost like 99% out of 100% always lose when they pick. Now, having said that, if we look at the daily time frame of the Russell, take a look at this. Now, last week we just broke above this, right? Now you can see this is 2018 December on the daily, right? Now you might say, well, this rally looks impulsive, right? It looks like a 5 ways of some sort, and we just broke above the previous peak. You can see clearly this is a correction, right? Sideways overlapping, that's the definition of correction, right? So which one is the trend when you see something like this without any bias, right? Without any fear mongering that the world is going to end and things like. So which one is the trend? You can see clearly this is a very smooth up, an impulse, and this is overlapping sideways. That is the definition of correction, right? And then we break higher now. We break higher, breaking above here. So technically, even if I'm assuming this is not really an impulse, it's not like a 1, 2, 3 of some sort. This is still at least some sort of an ABC, right? At least, because this looks like a 5 waves, right? Looks like a 5 waves. So if you measure it this way, you still have a pretty far away 100% target here as an ABC. Even as a corrective structure, this suggests more upside. The bulls are winning the game, right? So so in the larger degree, unless something else happens, unless we do a flat, or unless we got a truncated ABC or some sort, which is always not really the best way to interpret, because it's like forcing the bias, then that suggests we should be looking for the upside. So yes, in the shorter cycle, we could perhaps end the wave 5. That is possible, and do a bigger pullback as an alternate to correct this. But even then, even if that is going to happen, a larger pullback, it is still going to be the same on the larger time frame, on the daily scale. This until until we break below this 1440, okay, the bulls are completely in control. The bulls are completely in control of the game, right? So any pullback, therefore, is going to be finding support every single time and continue to see more upside. All right, so that's what we're looking for in the Russell, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like and subscribe. Also, we have a Black Friday sale right now. Every membership plan is up to 60% off, and every educational material is up to 50% off. You can get the link on the video below, all right, the description of the video in the YouTube. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.